Smart Blinds is a new company that set up about 12 months ago with the vision of thinking to ourselves, right, can we incorporate a retail side of a business with an eBay e-commerce side of a business? Our showroom, there is an up-tiered amount of fabrics to choose from. Whole range of window coverings. 2018, we put our first items on eBay and we just started slowly adding things on there, slightly different variations, and it slowly started to grow into the business that it is now. So in terms of a growth by growth, we are on the up. We've been on the up since we did the eBay Retail Revival. Little hints and tips that you pick up from eBay, everything helps. At the moment, the eBay side is helping the retail side of the shop, but also the retail side of the shop helps the eBay side of the shop.
It helps, keeps the books healthy, obviously, because it's a relatively low-cost business, because we can do thousands and thousands of these, and it just brings the money nicely flowing in. Through the eBay side of things, it's been huge in pushing us forward.
On a scale of things compared to London and Manchester, Wolverhampton is small, it is tiny, so we have to stand up for ourselves. We like a challenge. It's an industrious town, so we can still do things here. But we've noticed a massive change since the arrival.